दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी, once again, दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी, ये वाले लर्निंग नगेट्स, ये थर्ड नगेट है मेरा। हेलो, मेरा नाम जगन मनता है। lifepoint.com में मेरा डिटेल्स आप पूरी तरह देख सकते हो। आई वांट टू टेल स्मॉल थिंग अबाउट लाइफ पॉइंट। तंदुरुस्ती की रक्षा करता है लाइफ बॉय। दिस जिंगल आई हर्ड ऑलमोस्ट 35 years ago। लाइफ बॉय साबुन का एड, मगर लाइफ बॉय साबुन सिर्फ बदन का तंदुरुस्ती देता है, मन का तंदुरुस्ती का चक्कर में मैं I have been working on it for quite some time. I've been an IT person. I mean, my entire details anyway you can find on the life point. My nugget number 3 is about difference between soch or such. I once again repeat, soch and such. Soch is like thinking, possibility, khayal, whereas such is like the reality. It's an objective reality. It is not just subjective reality, which is only true for me. It's an objective reality which almost everyone can agree upon it actually. So सोच versus सच के बीच में बहुत फासला रहता है, but then there is a big continuum through which we keep moving actually. So this is just a reminder. As I said, these are not really knowledge oriented sessions, because knowledge तो बहुत ज्यादा है आजकल सबके लिए. You get everywhere at click of a button. Knowledge is getting passed to you, information is getting inundated. So I only intend to do this as a reflection or reminder bites. So between 5 to 8 minutes. So सोच versus सच के बीच में, सोच is, if I think सोच as thoughts, thought के साथ emotions रहते हैं. I will be doing actually thoughts versus emotion as a separate nugget actually in my series of nuggets, because I myself, while I'm a learning facilitator now for 15 years, I have moved through many different paths, which actually required me to move from a very left-oriented to, very much into the right-brain-oriented. Left and right, I'm not talking about politics. Actually, I'm talking about left-brained, analytical, logical versus right-brained, which is creative, emotional, which can actually reach to the other people. So I have done this kind of movement over the years. It took my own sweet time, but then my intention is to reach out to other people to go through whatever their journey is about. Not everybody may need to probably move across to the complete right spectrum or whatever. At least they need a small shift, because मेरा ख्याल तो ये है कि हम में से हर कोई दूध का दूध पानी का पानी करने का ही चक्कर में है. As far as my life is concerned, my career is concerned, whatever situation I am facing, इसमें ही हम दूध का दूध पानी का पानी कर रहे हैं. But at the same time, sometimes like from a thought as well as emotions, I start taking actions, and sometimes actions are not consistent. But then when we take consistently actions, some results start happening. But again, the results sometimes may not be consistent, they may be inconsistent. But then it's a slow process depending on whatever is our सोच, उसको सच में बदलने में, हकीकत में बदलने में, इसी जर्नी में हम सब लोग हैं. By the way, लाइफ पॉइंट में ऑलरेडी इसका डिटेल्स है, because I'm a transitions person, having navigated through multiple transitions of totally being a techie person, getting into management and getting into training, and that too different types of trainings. I consider my commitment to be supporting people in the middle of a transition में उतल फुतल बहुत ज्यादा होती है, तो thoughts versus emotions is an important nugget I will also be doing some time from now. So I'm actually trying to do these nuggets, one or two of them in a week. Actually, maybe I'll increase my pace as well. So these are currently quick shares for people to get a sense of the kind of contrasting approach. My specialization is purely in the area of thinking in terms of contrast. When use a contrast lens to look at things, suddenly like things start becoming more and more clearer, is one view I have. So once again, this is a quick tidbit, difference between सोच versus सच. हम सब लोग सच का ही, सोच को सच की बदलने का सिलसिले में ही हम सबका एफर्ट है. Really wish you all the best in whatever endeavor you are in. Once again, this is Jagan Mantha, lifepoint.com.